Hello and welcome to Excel Crony. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use 3 more text functions in Excel. Those functions are left, right, and mid. Left function, it returns the specified number of character from the start or left side of a text string. This function has 2 arguments, text and number of character. The text from which you want to extract is the text parameter, and number of character is the optional parameter. How many number of character you want to extract, you can mention in second parameter. Okay, for example, I have a text string called Excel Crony and I want to extract 5 character from left hand side of a character. Then the result will be Excel. Let's jump to another function. It is right. It returns the specified number of characters from the right hand side of a text string. It is just simply opposite to left. Okay. The syntax of this function has again same 2 arguments. Text, the text from which you want to extract the character, and the number of character is again an optional parameter. How many character you want to extract from the right hand side, you can mention in that. In this example, I have a text string called Excel Crony and I want to extract 5 character from right hand side. Then here the result will be Crony, C-R-O-N-Y, right? Next, jump to another function is mid. It extracts a given number of character from the middle of a supplied text string. The syntax of this function has 3 arguments. Text, the text from which you want to extract character. Start number, the position of the first character you want to extract from your given text. And number of character specifies the number of character you want your mid function to return. Okay, again, if you see here in this example, I have Excel Crony and I want my mid function to return 5 character and the starting position is 7th, then it will return CRONY. Things to remember: if start number is less than 1, then mid formula will return value error. If number of character is less than 0 or you mention as a negative, then mid formula will return a value error. Enough of all this talking, let's jump to Excel. Here I have couple of employees name and I want to extract using left function 5 character, for example, and close the braces, press enter and drag the formula. If you see here, it has extracted left 5 character from each cell value. Okay, and same way you can use right function also to extract right hand side character. Equal to RIGST, press tab to auto close the function, then select the range, comma, and I want, for example, 5 character, then press enter. You got it, the results. Okay, and mid function equal to MID. I have referred the B2 cell and the starting number will be 7th and I want 5 character. Press enter and I got the name. Okay, if you see here, this particular cell Vijay Singh is the name, right? So as I mentioned here, it should start from 7th position, then VIJAY is 5 character, then it will include space also as 1 character. Then the 7th position is S. Again, it's starting with SINGH, 5 character. Okay, that is how it works. Hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.